DJI's smallest flying camera is getting a massive evolutionary update. The DJI Neo 3 is flooding prototype leaks and insider reports ahead of a rumored late 2026 launch, bringing a larger sensor, 24 minutes of flight time, tri-directional obstacle sensing, and O4+ transmission. Let's break down everything we know so far. Leaks and insider industry reports point to a late 2026 launch. While official retail numbers remain unconfirmed by DJI, industry speculation places its pricing structure closely aligned with past entry-level positioning, anticipating a base model starting around $150 to $170, with multi-battery or controller combo bundles scaling upwards toward $250 to $350, depending on the inclusion of RC or FPV gear. Stepping up safety for indoor flying and automated tracking, the Neo 3 is rumored to introduce a more advanced multi-directional sensor arrangement instead of relying solely on basic forward/downward vision. Adopting DJI's robust transmission architecture, it is expected to support a clean, stable connection over long ranges, up to 10 kilometers in ideal conditions, bridging the gap between entry-level toys and professional gear. According to industry speculation, the biggest upgrade lands in the camera department. The Neo 3 is rumored to replace the older half-inch sensor with a larger sensor, dramatically boosting low-light performance and dynamic range. Better yet, reports point to support for 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and enhanced HDR recording, giving short-form creators professional color grading flexibility straight from a palm-sized drone. Flight performance is also getting a welcome bump, thanks to improved motor efficiency and power management. Sources indicate the Neo 3 could achieve up to 24 minutes of flight time per battery. Safety is seeing a huge upgrade too. While older Neo models relied heavily on basic forward and downward sensors, rumors point to a new tri-directional sensing system, making autonomous tracking and casual indoor flying much safer for beginners. Connectivity is taking a massive leap forward with the adoption of DJI's O4+ video transmission technology, potentially allowing a transmission range of up to 10 kilometers in ideal open environments. While competition in the lightweight creator category heats up, especially from rivals like the HoverAir X1 Pro series, DJI's software integration and ecosystem remain unmatched. If the Neo 3 hits the market at an affordable price point, it could easily become the defining entry-level drone of 2026. The DJI Neo 3 remains unofficial for now, but these leaks paint an exciting picture. What feature would make you upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit subscribe for the latest tech updates, and we'll see you in the next one.